Hey guys, what is going on? What is going on? Street trading here. It is the weekend sun. This is our Sunday scan for the week, putting up our weekly trade watch list, looking at a 15-minute chart of SPY. Going to wrap up the last full trading week of May. I think we got one or two sessions on the following week, but last full week heading into pretty decent action going on in the markets. Obviously, the boys are printing higher highs and higher lows. Obviously, you have that all-time high on SPY at that 422, 23, 24 and change, whatever it is. Definitely in sight. Obviously you saw that run up, taking out Monday's highs, and kind of settle down into the close Friday. It's typical, right? So, but you see the move, right? You definitely see a move. Technical side. Tough to argue. It's tough to argue. So any perma bears, you shouldn't be perma anything, but any perma bears, be careful not to get squeezed, guys, right? So you definitely know what's cooking right now. You definitely see what's happening. Obviously, there's a lot of chatter, on the crypto side as well. That's been kind of lingering. Musk stepping in again, talking some more about Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin dipped down. I don't know. I think it's like trading 36, 37, whatever. It's under pressure, guys. That space is definitely under pressure. Right now, that space is extremely volatile. So just don't get married to anything, right? If you want to make some money, make some money. Build in positions, but you have to understand the possibilities, right? And what we've been seeing the past couple weeks in that space, that's not what we do at all. So just giving you a little our 2 cents here. If you're trying to build into it, and you have to have a much longer outlook, because at the end of the day it could just be a wash. But also you can have that that scenario. I think it was like 2010 that that programmer bought 10,000 Bitcoin worth of fucking pizza. I don't know, whatever it was, $15. I don't know. Anyway, who knows what's gonna happen? But the space has been shooken up. Can't deny that. And it's funny that ARK Investments, they're still trying to defend, Kathy Wood is still trying to defend their position. They're building the Coinbase, getting just demolished. But when you continue to see these defense headlines, right? What do you think they're going to say? Oh, it's over, we're done? Of course not. They got monster positions, right? So it's kind of interesting when you start to see these BS headlines trying to defend. Like, listen, they're just human like anybody else. Like, no one knows what's going to happen in the future. So when you see these headlines, it's desperation. You got to read between the lines. And that's not just in that space. That's in equities. That's in everything, right? So you got to understand, when you start to see things happening in the market, and then you start to see headlines try to defend those actions, that's desperation. Read between the lines. That's what we do. Anyway, we're going into this week's session with 9 on our weekly. Got some nice opportunities, guys, both the upside and to the downside. So, we like what we're seeing. It's a pretty decent weekend of work that we're putting out for you guys here. So let's get into it. Let's get into what we're looking at, and our plan for if this then that. Again, like we always talk about, we have 9 going in. We may not do anything till Friday, or we may do them all on Monday, or we may not. None of them may work out for us, and we're not going to step involved one bit. We'll just focus on our daily trade ideas. So that's the whole premise of this weekly watch. This is, we set our levels, we set our alerts, ready to go. If this then that. If what we are anticipating to happen starts to unfold, then we get involved. If it doesn't, then we don't. It's that simple. So listen. No one understands. No one knows exactly what's going to happen a minute from now. You feel me? So at the end of the day, plan your trade your plan if things unfold as you expect. All right, let's get into it, guys.